Okay, let us multiply the polynomials using the box method. So this is 3 going to cut the boxes using true, and this one is 2. Going to place 6 y squared to the top minus y, and then minus 4. Then yung 9y minus 1. Now this one we're going to multiply 9 and 6. That is 54. Then y 2 plus 1 equals y cubed. Next to multiply is negative 7 and then 9y. And that is negative 9 y squared. Then we have negative 36 y, copy the y. Then negative 1 multiplied to 6y squared. This is equal to negative 6 y squared. And then negative and negative, that is positive. Okay, positive y. And last is negative 4 and 1. And that is positive 4. Now sum up. We have add the same term. Copy 54 y cubed. Next, add negative 6 and negative 9. That is negative 15 y squared. And then add negative 36 and 1y. That is 35 y. And last is plus 4. Now this is our final answer.